she's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there.
Good morning. We are at Mosiatunya Lodge. There's a lot of greenery, so I love that. And there's a nice pool. It's nice. We're headed for breakfast right now. Honestly, it's dinner, guys. Like, we're exhausted, but then we have to get the day started.
That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering.
No, but how holiday has to be a bit different.
Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better, make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go.
Yes, Merry Christmas!
Victoria Falls. Yeah. Hey guys, we are now in the rainforest. We're about to tour.
Munofunda kuti yena vada kubvunzwa yese ndikudza. Rwizi hanto zaro Zambezi.
Yes.
Zambezi harisiro zita racho. Rwizi. Rwizi runonzi Kasamba Vezi. Kasamba Vezi. Kasamba Vezi, it means you bath where you know. Kasa is Tonga.
Oh, it's Tonga.
Kasamba Vezi.
He's British.
From Scotland, you can write Kasamba Vezi, so just write Zambezi.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself, 'cause I don't know what I want, but I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better, make her feel better, and that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go.
The baboons don't even care about us. It's like they are disturbed. Look at this guy, he's even sleeping. This guy is literally chilling in his bedroom.
Talking to myself, 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself, 'cause I don't know what I want, but I'm not out here on my own.
Okay. Look at God. Oh my God! Guys, this camera is not doing false law any justice. Oh my God. We are soaking wet. Mans.
It's only number 50 there.
I'm so glad I came here. Best birthday gift ever. Seriously, if you've never been to the Victoria Falls, come and see and marvel the works of God's fingers. Most of the times I become overwhelmed when when David said, when I consider the heavens, the works of your fingers, the moon and the stars you have ordained. Who am I, a man, that you're mindful of me? That's my sentiment right now. I'm so grateful for God's love, that even in his sovereignty, he still is mindful of me. So, Lord, I'm grateful. I'm grateful. We got rained on a lot, so our makeup has completely disappeared, but it was worth every moment. Every moment. Skull of an elephant.
Buffalo, lion, baboon, monkey, leopard, giraffe, water bug, bush bug, crazy, impala, white rhino. White rhino aina ivory. Then he have black rhino. Then a hippo. That's a zero.
Yeah, Signore Hippo.
This marks the end of our rainforest tour.
Oh, we are done with the rainforest. We're about to exit. You know what? It was good. Our tour guide was excellent because he managed to lead us in a way that avoided my crowds. because everyone else was taking the same route. So it was awesome. We got a chance to take pictures when it was not crowded. So yeah, time well spent. We're exiting now.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not
We are a small group, so it's fun. It's still early morning, so our pictures that they're not really coming out nice because the sun is behind us, but we are walking towards the bridge. Wait, let me put my mask. It's nice. We're already starting to feel the drizzle. Wangai, say hi. Upper my head is too big now. We're already feeling the drizzle from the fall.
to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart, and I know that we're not perfect.
My problem is I don't like heights, like at all. There's a helicopter, but it's nice here. It's gorgeous. Oh, but I'm feeling dizzy. Too much movement. Let me allow the truck to pass. The truck corner makes the bridge shake. I don't like that feeling. I don't like it.
Rafting on it.
Those guys are rafting. One of the things I'll never ever do. See them. Oh, so you're now in Zambia. That's the beach. There's the... Is it called the Zambian Bridge or... Zambian Bridge.
This is Auto Bay Bridge.
Oh. What do you want to give me?
So this is the symbol of the falls, eh?
Okay.
I want to give you a raksham.
Oh, a souvenir.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
For your Christmas, eh?
Yes. I got a free gift. Christmas spirit. Welcome to Zimbabwe. Having is Zambia, guys. Honestly, but I'm patriotic. So I had to come back home.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect.
Hey guys, so we are now here for the vulture feeding experience. So they are wild vultures that were just trained. They were trained to know that at 1 p.m. every day they come and are fed here. So they only come for like 5 minutes. So we have a 5-minute window to go feed the vultures. That's what we're going to do now. Oh, this is pretty. So pretty.
We're never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget.
Oh, beautiful spaces.
Cause you have a piece of my heart, and I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay. No, you're gone.
Yeah, Mawato.
But I'll be okay if you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. If you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. We watch the sun go down over the same old town. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. If you stay. Oh, if you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old.
So let me give you a room tour. They cleaned our room. They gave us an extra bed. Now, this bed wasn't here yesterday. We only had one bed which we shared. It's very comfortable. We have a mosquito net.
Oh, this is the boys' room, right?
No, it's ours.
What's happening?
They gave us an extra bed. I don't know why, but
And they folded our towels.
a full-length mirror.
Oh, they cleaned this. They know that doing. Oh, this feels great.
And a generic bathroom with a shower, you know.
They cleaned it. Are you showering when
And then there's me. I'm not showering. I'll shower at the end of the day.
Okay.
I'll just change my top.
Uh-oh. You don't want to look at this one. You need to see the...
So hey guys, we just got back to our room to freshen up a bit because Netio when we falls, so we needed to change. I just changed my top. I hope the next pictures that I'll take will look cute and different, you know. But then we're about to go grab lunch and then see where the day takes us. We're going to do a boat cruise later, so I'm excited about that. I just tried to freshen up, but I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. God, did you tell you what we're doing after like? Oh, he's in the bathroom. We're trying to figure out if we should wear our summer dresses or not because we should stick to our shorts because we cannot wear skinny jeans. We'll collapse. So we'll stick to our shorts and then probably just change our tops because it's so hot here. But we've had a good day so far.
A very nice day.
Been a very nice day. It's been a very nice day. I would highly recommend come to Vic Falls. It's worth every penny.
During Christmas.
Especially during the festive season, right? But then my birthday is next week, right? So I kind of dedicated this trip
As a celebration.
a birthday,
For you.
a birthday gift from me. So we'll catch up with you guys later. We need to rest, like maybe a 10-minute nap or something, because we're exhausted. We're going to grab lunch at it's called Comfort Pub. One thing about me, I'll order is chwala because I'm tired. I don't want anything fancy. I want is chwala. It's lempita. So that's what I'll be having for lunch. Maybe my energy levels will get back up because it's hot and I'm exhausted. But yeah, it's been a great day so far. Thank you. Alright, thanks.